Okay guys, so I'm going to open this. So let's see what they given us. So this is MacBook Pro, the latest version. Then we got one Type-C charging cable. Oh, very good. I think it's too much enough for to charge from the long. If we need to charge is from the long distance, so it's very good. I think so. Then we got one instruction cards signed by Apple. So I think this service card maybe for the validation. This card must be retained by the customer for service validation. Okay, 1 year warranty. That's maybe for the service or anything else. So this we got a charger. Okay, that's the thing only. They have nothing. I think no more anything else. So I'm going to put it again inside. So guys, this is MacBook Pro, the latest 2020 model. I'm going to give you a quick review, but before going to for the review, I will tell you the price I paid for this laptop. But the original price is 5599 for the normal customer. But if you are a student, you will get a discount from online education store. Because in Malaysia I just choose the online education store online in Apple website, so they give me some discount. So I got this laptop with price 5169. So it's really good for me that I got a discount, because if you are a valid student in a university, so you will get discount. And there is also they have some discounts for the staff or faculty person. Some you can check on their website. So this laptop is a 13.3-inch Retina LED backlit display and 1.4 GHz quad-core Intel Core i5 processor with 256 GB SSD storage, and the graphics are Intel Iris Plus Graphics 645. So basically there are the new changes in the as compared to 2019 model for the 8th generation is they changed the keyboard. They use now Magic Keyboard. It's I'm using this, I think it's really good and it's really convenient, and the touch bar is also a really nice experience for me to use. Basically the one that I got is basically the 8th generation laptop, but they have also a 10th generation laptop that have a more performance, that a high performance, and so that's why they also mention in their website some more specification about the 10th generation one. And but the price is quite higher than this model, so I think that this model is better for me. And but for most of the people that they want to do some professional works, I think this model is can enough. But more professional you want, you can buy this, but the price is much higher. So let's have a quick review of the display of the MacBook Pro that I have, and also the sound testing. So I'm gonna use the video for this purpose in the YouTube. This is the iMovie software that is provided by the Apple. So it's totally free, and you see how speed. It's really good to work with this. I think it's enough for me to edit the videos really good.